Welcome to the Dove Lotion Buffalo Milk Facility. All trucks proceed to Gate 5 for unloading.
Bay 2, clear to proceed. Back her up slowly.
Roger that. Bay 2 is secure.
Keep moving, keep moving! Watch the barrier on the left. Clear for the next group.
Eyes are clear. How's the skin condition looking?
Coat is glossy, no abnormalities detected on the flank.
All right, the ear tag is registered. We have a pass. Temperature looks stable on Group A.
Confirmed. Moving to the next phase.
The udder sanitization stage. Robotic cleaning arms spray warm, sterile water onto the buffalo udders, washing away dust and debris. We're approaching the fill limit. Time for the quality check.
All right, I'll get the sample now.
Purity is at 99.9%.
Excellent. Move it to filtration.
Viscosity, pH, and texture analysis are all within spec. The microbial screen is clear. Perfect. We can approve the batch for storage.
The pH is stable at 5.5. Confirmed. The accelerated stability samples look good too.
The microbiological report is clear.
Excellent. Let's send it to the filling hall.
Seal integrity confirmed. Everything is running smoothly. Flawless execution by the vision system. Make sure that stack is secure before it moves to the wrapper. Roger that. Alignment looks perfect.
This nourishing formula looks perfect. It smells great too.
Here is your lotion and your receipt. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.